The 8 plus 8 plus 8 rule is a simple idea. It's about dividing your day into 3 equal parts. 8 hours for work, 8 hours for sleep, 8 hours for everything else you love. This isn't a new concept, but in our busy world, it's easy to forget. We often let work take over. Or we sacrifice sleep. Maybe we don't make time for hobbies and friends. The 8 plus 8 plus 8 rule reminds us to prioritize all areas of life. This rule isn't about being rigid, it's about finding a balance that works for you. Some days might look different than others. The key is to strive for this balance over time. Why is balance so important? Because it impacts our well-being. When we work too much, we get stressed and tired. Our relationships might suffer, we might not have energy for fun. Lack of sleep has serious consequences. It affects our mood, focus, and even our physical health. And if we don't make time for ourselves, we miss out on joy and relaxation. Balance benefits us in many ways. We feel happier and healthier. We have more energy for work and play. Our relationships improve. So, how do you actually use the 8 plus 8 plus 8 rule? Start by tracking your time, see how you're currently spending your day, then look for areas where you can adjust. Maybe you can delegate tasks at work or create a relaxing bedtime routine. Schedule time for hobbies, friends and family. Even small changes can make a big difference. Think about what brings you joy and energy. Make time for those activities. Remember, balance isn't about perfection, it's about making choices that support your well-being. Following the 8 plus 8 plus 8 rule can lead to a more fulfilling life. You'll likely feel less stressed and more rested. You'll have more time for things you enjoy. And you might even find that you're more productive at work. Living a balanced life is an ongoing journey. There will be challenges along the way. But by prioritizing yourself and your well-being, you can create a life you love.